My husband sent me this video from on Facebook, and I knew what he wanted. Every time he sends me video, I know that he's trying to communicate and ask me, babe, can you fix me this? So I decided to fix a roasted plantain and a big fish. I wash my fish, wash my plantain, did my season, blended everything together, put it in a bowl, chop my onions and pepper for my pepper sauce. Now this is the fish. I'm trying to marinate the fish while I put it in a foil paper. After marinating the fish, wrap it good and then put it in the oven. This is the plantain. I'm using the same sauce to marinate the plantain as well. After marinating my plantain, I decided to fry my pepper, put some rosemary leaves in it to give it that, touching flavor. I did my plantain in the air fryer. And here, this is the pepper sauce for the big fish and the plantain. I hope he enjoyed this food I've made for him. I made it with love.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I love this.
you're welcome.